My name is Philip Weiss, and I'm at the grave of Ralph Bunche. Ralph Bunche was an American diplomat, won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1950 for his work in mediating the Palestinian conflict. He's considered one of the great American diplomats. Somebody made a definite contribution to the cause of peace. And I'm here today at his grave, also interred with Mr. Bunche, his wife, and two children, two of his children. So, Mr. Bunche, Ralph Bunche, you are gone, but you certainly are not forgotten. And may you and your family rest in peace.